So, basic laptop care with Mason. So, first you want to make sure you have just a simple rag. You may want to make sure the laptop is turned off, and you just want to wipe it down. Yeah, wipe it down. Okay, now. Okay, so now, opening the laptop.
Dude, look at the screen, it's dirty.
We noticed. We'll get to that in a second.
Nice commentary there.
Yeah, nice commentary. Alright, this isn't a video game, it's not Minecraft.
Did you do that on purpose?
So, just
It was like that.
all the, yeah, get all the dust off. Okay. Alright, now it's wiped down right here. Not really what I'm going fast, because this is like our 4th take. Okay. So now, you want to make sure you have certified lens cleaner. Yeah. Okay. Not Windex. So, first, just kind of spray drops. Now just wipe slowly. Depending on your screen, you might want to do a few more than just like one spray, but this screen is extremely dirty, so I have to do like 4. And still. Yeah, pretty screen. Okay. Let's keep going.
And we have to start over. You went in front.
It doesn't matter. But
I'll just edit that out.
You'll get a better grade because everyone will laugh.
so now we have a pretty laptop. Ah, only $19.95.
Yeah, I can see them. For cleaner?
This is a crappy laptop. I mean, look, it's ugly.